It's like delayed the stop, so you have to let go a little bit before. Look at this. This is
Here,
nuts.
I'm gonna take it back down. These pressure controls.
Just let go way before the base spin. Just because like it stops late.
I think you might have just caught me in that.
Don't worry.
Again.
Don't worry. I didn't. Leave it. Stop. No. Stop. No.
That leads outside somewhere. God only knows where. Anyway. It's the shaft, but there's not much light in here, so it's not gonna happen. Here's where the cables are attached. You know what? I'm gonna cut it off there.
You know what? Watch out. Just stand in that corner. I'll get my thumbnail here. That's a cool thumbnail. All right, there we go. Let's go. Where should we park it? Do you want to park at 3? Let's do 3 because that's where it was.
I don't know how to get to 3. Is it empty just like 5?
Yes. Actually, let's do 5.
Pretty weird that this is traction.
The other one's probably a little newer.
Yeah.
There we go. See it hold it stays on. It gets stuck. What the fuck?
Come on. Damn it.
Ah, shit. Stop. Ah, shit.
Oh, we're not.
Nah, we're good. Here. Bring it up more. Oh yeah, we're too low. Just hold on, let me do it. Gotta go down. Uh-oh. Oh, we might be stuck. Fuck. We're in a bit of a pickle.
Stop recording.
There we go. Try that. I hope we're not stuck. Here, let me do it.
I got it.
There we go. Then we gotta bring it up again.
Did you open it? There we go.
There we go. Yeah, that thing's really touchy. Watch out. And that's it.